Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about how to create new website on Wix.com. So guys, this is very easy way to create website on Wix.com. So you just have to create an account on Wix.com and then you will see this type of window on your screen. So once you reach to this window, you have to click on create new site, and then you have to define the purpose of your website. What kind of website are you creating? So I am creating here technology company, and then I have selected this name from suggestions. And if you are creating something different like clothing or something food, you can add whatever you want to do, and you will define the purpose, and then you have to click on next. Once you click on next, then you have to write the name of your business over here. I've write my company name over here, and now I'm going to click on next. Guys, if you want to add these things on your website, then you can check on this box, like if you want to add chats, or if you want to add something events, blog, forms, you can add by clicking here. And if you want to add something, okay, so I've selected these three suggestions. I want to add these things on my website, so I will go with all and if you don't want to add anything from these suggestions, then you can go with this skip button. So once you're done with it, then you have to click on next. Okay, now if you want to take any template from here, then you can go with it. Just simply you have to click on it, and you can select your template from here. As you can see, there are so many templates over here. You can select your favorite one, then you can go ahead. Okay, as you can see guys, my website has been done. Okay guys, once you done with your website, then here you have to write some details about your company. I have to click on create. Okay guys, as you can see, this is my website. I've selected the template, and this is the company name what I've wrote over here, and it will look like this. This is the desktop preview of my website, and if I go with the mobile, then you can change your device mode from here, and you can see how will it look. So once it's done, then it will look like this on. If I go with the preview, then you can see this is the preview of website. And so guys, this is how to create website on Wix.com. We will edit it in our next videos. Keep watching. Thank you so much. Good luck.